We'd like to thank you sincerely for accepting us into this Adopt a School program. And we have put together with the Office of the Auditor General and assistance from some of our counterparts from the Vanuatu Auditor General's Office. Likewise, with the Tasmania Audit Office, we managed to put together some little contribution for the school, Nabunisea Primary School. And we sincerely hope and pray that this will go a long way in terms of nation building for our children up in the Tausamo region. And for this, we must thank you sincerely for allowing us the opportunity to come into this Adopt a School program. And we sincerely hope that this will not be the end of the journey in terms of our relationship. And we maybe could take things further from here also. So thank you again for allowing us the opportunity.
They tend to donate things to those who are in closer proximity to urban areas or to the roadside. But you choosing the school in the interior demonstrates your commitment to those who sometimes tend to be forgotten. And we also are making every effort to see how we can reach out. Last week I was in Tabini, he was in Banobalavu, Koro. We're trying to ensure that there's a level playing field with respect to educational services out to our children, immaterial of where they are, maritime zone or interior, there are highlands. So this assistance that we're providing will ensure that it reaches children of the school, and it will make a huge difference in terms of their ability to come to school, and also it will boost their morale that there are people out there outside the mainstream education sector who are concerned about the education, and demonstrates your commitment to ensure that children are as successful like yourselves and your staff here as well. So now really want to thank you on behalf of the Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Education. I want to thank your office for this generosity at this time of need. Thank you.
Let us all just thank the Auditor General's Office for their